So, hello everybody, this is Bhante Joe here, and I'm here at beautiful Gendagala Aranya in Ratanapura, and today we're going to go over an efficient method for washing a monk's robe. So this method has three advantages. One is that it's highly portable. You can do it just about anywhere, hotel room, in the forest. Another is that it will actually deepen the color of the robe over time, as opposed to soap and water, which kind of fades it out. And the third is that it'll keep your robe smelling fresh for longer than just a soap and water method. So let's take a look and get started. The first things we need are a kettle, a basin, a cup, the tea itself, and something to stir it with. Begin by bringing the kettle to a boil. Then, put the tea into the cup. Take some hot water, pour it in, and mix it together well. Now take the item that needs to be washed, in this case a robe, place it in the basin, and pour the strong tea over the cloth. It's good to let the tea steep for about 3 or 4 minutes before pouring to deepen the color. And if part of the robe is still dry, add a little more hot water. Then begin working the tea through the cloth so that the color spreads evenly through the robe. You want it just wet enough that when you press it, only a small amount of water comes out. Careful here, because it may still be hot. You can also lift it and press it down again, smashing it, which helps to distribute the color. Natural colors can often look far more vivid than artificial ones. Then simply hang the robe up to dry. If the place is windy, it helps to put the pins in opposite directions so that the robe does not blow loose. And that is all.